I can't wait for the sun when them sundresses gon' come on out. Living all the way in the west, but the Georgia peach make me feel down south. See you in the streets, believe I'ma go ahead and reach on out. Cause I done peeped you on the ground, goddamn, you just made another fan, yeah. Used to curving plenty niggas, if I wasn't for you, baby, I ain't nervous.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm just gonna start off by putting my hair in sections so it'll make it easier to start the style. I'm gonna be making little like squares on the side of my head, so I'm sectioning off hair on each side to form a square before I split it up into little sections. This main section right here is going to be what we form our very first bun with. Y'all, I can't even lie to you. It was so late at night. I was so tired. So I actually had my mom section off the rest of my hair because I just needed to get this video out for y'all. So I'm going to show you guys the products that I use to slick the hair down. So I'm just going to be using this Jamaican black castor oil and water from As I Am. And I'm just going to do that just to wet up the hair. And then I'm going in with my Earthborn Organic Stimulating Growth Oil, and I'm going to apply that to my scalp just to make sure that my hair and scalp is moisturized. And we're going to massage that in before I go in with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner from Shea Moisture. And I'm going to use that just to detangle the section before using my Style Factor Edge Booster in Sweet Peach. I'm just cleaning up these parts of these little subsections on the side just to make sure they're nice and straight before we go ahead and divide that big section into 4 little sections and section them off with little rubber bands. We are going to be splitting this big section into 2, and then I'm going to section off this by twisting it up and getting it out the way. And then I'm going to take that first section and split that into 2 as well. And then I'm going to go in with, like, I believe it's Murray's like edge wax, And that's what we're gonna do just to slick down these little sections before putting them in the rubber bands. And we're gonna be doing like a crisscross kind of style. So here's where the magic comes in, y'all. So this is hair that I have used in some previous videos. I believe I used this for like my space buns and everything. So I'll have that in the description box. Not the description box, but in the cards up above. But I'm just gonna go ahead and I took 4 of these little like rubber band things that I made with the hair draped over it, and I'm just gonna wrap them around. And then this last piece, as you can see, like I went around the second bun, and that just kind of helps to limit the amount of space in between the buns, because I was trying to make sure that I didn't use too much hair. So if you only have 1 pack, it's able to be done. If you want your buns to be bigger, you can definitely go in, of course, with a second little pack of hair. The one that I bought, it came in with 2 packs in it. So I used 1 pack and I think 3 pieces from the second pack, but I didn't really need to. It was fine either way. And then I'm just gonna secure the bun with an extra ponytail holder, but I just put it over top of it. I don't double layer anything because I didn't want this style to be tight and pulling on my hair. So yeah. This last part is totally optional, of course, but I had to add my little bling bling. blah up in there, y'all already know. So I went in with these little like hair pieces and I put them on each of the little sections that we made on the side, and then I'm going to add some bigger pieces which look like little crowns, and I'm just going to add them to the buns just to jazz it up a little bit, you know. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. This is what we rocking with. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, because as you know, we be doing the dang thing over on this channel, okay? But definitely don't forget to come join this family and do all those other things mentioned before, because we saving coins. This hair, reused. These hair pieces, reused, okay? We don't be spending that much over here, so come join us. It don't cost nothing to subscribe. It don't hurt nobody.
It don't cost nothing to show a nigga.
I was doing this getting money.
But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.